Hi, Lann here at Northeast Ford, but I'm in my beach gear today. We're going to go a little different direction. We want to show you where the best all-inclusive locations are. This is real behind-the-scenes stuff. Is it down here in the Caribbean or Brazil? Actually, it's right, let's see, right over here. It's called Millerton, New York, because we have the most all-inclusive deal you've ever seen. You know what? You might have seen, oh, the Bronco Raptor, but they're so expensive, but 14 grand off and change. A lot of stuff now is 4 grand, 7 grand on F-150s, but it's way more than that. Not only are we giving you 2 years unlimited oil change on anything on the property, on the brand new cars, we're going up to 2 years premium maintenance. So that's more than just oil changes. That means even the brakes, the wiper blades, all of it. And here's the beautiful thing. It's in addition to the thousands of extra dollars on the trade-in. So there's only one place to get that all-inclusive deal, and it's only for you, only in Millerton, and only at Northeast Ford.